These are stainless steel bands, available in cardboard boxes and plastic dispensers with a handle. They are offered in different widths, lengths, and stainless steel grades, allowing you to choose the right band for each application. This is the stainless steel band supplied in a cardboard dispenser. It allows controlled unwinding of the band directly from the box. This version comes in a plastic dispenser with a handle, making it easier to carry and use on site. This is the stainless steel band without packaging. Be careful, if the band is not secured, it can unwind rapidly and cause injury. Always handle loose coils with caution. To cut the stainless steel band, you will need dedicated band cutting shears. Standard tools are not suitable for cutting stainless steel. Pull out the required length of band from the dispenser and cut it cleanly using the band cutters. For installation, stainless steel banding buckles are also required. They are available in two types, ear-lock buckles and L-type buckles. Different sizes are available to match various band widths. To tension and cut the band, professional banding tools are used. Two types are available, depending on the application. This is a ratchet banding tool. It tightens the band by winding it onto the mechanism and includes a built-in cutting function. This is a screw banding tool. It tightens the band using a screw-driven mechanism and also allows precise cutting after tensioning. To begin the installation, insert the stainless steel band through the ear-lock buckle and bend the band back over the buckle to form a clamp. For better shaping of the band around the buckle, use a hammer to bend the band firmly into place. Place the clamp around the pole and tighten the band by hand so it holds its position. Insert the free end of the band into the screw banding tool and turn the screw until resistance is felt. Use the cutting lever to remove the excess band cleanly. Fold the remaining band end over the buckle and hammer the buckle ears inward to lock the clamp securely. The installation is now complete. The stainless steel band is firmly secured and the clamp remains stable on the pole.